One task that so many people struggle with is how to put a pillowcase on a pillow. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to put a pillowcase on a pillow, and it's coming up. If we're just meeting, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach traditional homemaking for today's homemaker. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, subscribe and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get into it. This video short is all about how to put a pillowcase on a pillow. My husband struggles with it, and I know so many other people do as well. So let me show you how you can do it pretty quickly. The first thing you're going to do is just kind of open up your pillowcase and just roll it up. Just a little bit. Just kind of gather it up in your hands. So gather it up into the two corners like this. Take one corner in your left hand, grab the pillow in your right hand, and just kind of stick it up in the pillowcase. And what you're doing is you're taking this corner and you're putting this corner of the pillow into this corner of the pillowcase. Then walk your hand across to the other corner of the pillow. And now grab that other corner. So now you've got both corners of the pillow handled. So grab it in the center and just pull it down. Pull the case down. Give it a little shake. Another little shake from the bottom. And voila, your pillow is in your case, and it's pretty easy to do. So here's my question for you. What are your homekeeping challenges? Tell me in the comment section below, and maybe next time I'll be answering one of the questions that you have regarding homemaking or homekeeping. If you like this video, you might want to check out my How to Make a Bed. I will link it with an iCard above and in the description box below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children and I've managed a home for more than 45 years. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, hit that subscribe button. I can teach you how to be a traditional homemaker in an untraditional world. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying, you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out my video on how to make a bed. I'll see you next time.